Hello friends, this is Mahesh Yolikar and you are watching Next Gen Maths. If you have not subscribed my channel then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In this video we are going to discuss the problem of CSI 8 5 10 to 22 problem of linear algebra. The question is V equal to set A belongs to 3 cross 3 matrix over real numbers with the condition A transpose plus A belongs to R dot I where I is the identity matrix. Consider the quadratic form defined as quadratic form square of trace of A minus trace of A square. What is the signature of this quadratic form? We are given four options. First option plus 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 plus. Second option plus 0 0 0. Third option plus minus minus minus. And fourth option minus 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 0. Solution. To solve this problem, we have to construct quadratic form of A. But that A is given in V. So what is V? V is a set of 3 cross 3 matrix over the real numbers with the condition A transpose plus A belongs to R dot I. So first of all, R dot I is a set K times identity matrix where K belongs to R. Therefore, K00, 0K0, 00K, K belongs to R are the elements of R dot I. Now we are given that A transpose plus A belongs to R dot I. Therefore, A transpose plus A equal to K00, 0K0, 00K for some K belongs to R. Consider matrix A with a generalized entry A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This A belongs to V, therefore it satisfies the condition A transpose plus A belongs to R dot I. A transpose is equal to A, D, G, B, E, H, C, F, I. A plus A transpose equal to 2A, B plus D, C plus G, B plus D, 2E, F plus H, C plus G, F plus H and 2I. Now A plus A transpose belongs to R dot I, therefore A plus A transpose is equal to K00, K0, 00K for some K belongs to real number. So if we compare A plus A transpose with the scalar matrix K00, K0, 00K, we have 2A equal to K, so A equal to K by 2, 2A equal to K, so E equal to K by 2 and 2I equal to K, so I equal to K by 2. Then we have B plus D equal to 0, so D equal to minus B. C plus G equal to 0, therefore G equal to minus C, and F plus H equal to 0, therefore H equal to minus F. Now substitute all this value in matrix A, so A equal to K by 2, B C minus B, K by 2 F, G equal to minus C, so minus C minus F, K by 2. So this is matrix A. We want to calculate quadratic form of A, which is square of trace of A minus trace of A square. So we need trace of A. So trace of matrix A is sum of its diagonal. So K by 2 plus K by 2 plus K by 2, which will give the 3K by 2. Now we need trace of A square. So first we will find A square. A square equal to A into A. For the trace we required only diagonal values. So we are calculating only diagonal values. So first diagonal value is multiplication of first row, first column, which will give the K square by 4 minus B square minus C square. Second diagonal value is a multiplication of second row, second column, which will give K square by 4 minus B square minus F square. And third diagonal value is a multiplication of third row and third column, which will give K square by 4 minus C square minus F square. Trace of A square is a sum of diagonal values of A square. So if we take the sum of diagonal values of A square, we have 3K square by 4 minus 2B square minus 2C square minus 2F square. Quadratic form is a square of trace of A minus trace of A square. So trace of A is 3K, and if we take the square, so 3K whole square minus trace of A square is minus 3K square by 4 minus 2B square minus 2C square minus 2F square. Now if we simplify, then we have 9K square by 4 minus 3K square by 4, which will give 6K square by 4 plus 2B square plus 2C square plus 2F square. Therefore, quadratic form is 6 by 4 equal to 3 by 2 k square plus 2b square plus 2c square plus 2f square. Now, matrix associated with this quadratic form is m equal to 3 by 2 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 0 2. Because we have only square entries, other entries are 0, and square entry only give the diagonal values. M is the diagonal matrix. Therefore, the eigenvalues of M are the diagonal values 3 by 2 2 2 2. All the diagonal values of M are positive. Therefore, the signature of matrix M is plus 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 plus. Therefore, signature of quadratic form is plus 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 plus, which is option number 1, and option number 1 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of next gen maths.